Welcome back to our channel, Mastering Masterminds. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you. We're diving into the world of social media marketing and bringing you the ultimate guide to social media marketing. Whether you're a brand new entrepreneur or an established business owner, this guide will break down the key strategies and best practices for leveraging social media platforms to boost brand awareness, engage with your audience, and drive conversions. So let's get started. Social media marketing has become an indispensable tool for businesses of all sizes. With billions of active users on various platforms, the potential to reach and engage your target audience has never been greater. However, simply having a presence on social media is not enough. To truly succeed, you need a well-crafted strategy tailored to each platform you utilize. Let's start by exploring some of the major social media platforms and understanding their unique advantages. Facebook. With over 2.8 billion monthly active users, Facebook provides an incredible opportunity to connect with a diverse audience. From Facebook pages to targeted advertising, we'll show you how to optimize your brand's presence on this platform. Instagram. Known for its visually appealing content, Instagram boasts over 1 billion monthly active users. We'll share tips on creating stunning visuals, utilizing hashtags, and leveraging features like stories and reels to engage your followers effectively. Twitter. With its fast-paced nature, Twitter is perfect for real-time engagement. We'll guide you through crafting compelling tweets, using hashtags strategically, and building a strong Twitter community around your brand. LinkedIn. As the professional networking platform, LinkedIn offers unique opportunities for B2B marketing. Learn how to establish thought leadership, engage with industry professionals, and leverage LinkedIn groups and sponsored content to expand your reach. YouTube. As we're sure you know, video content is king, and YouTube is the reigning champion with over 2 billion monthly active users. We'll provide insights on creating high-quality videos, optimizing titles and descriptions, and maximizing your channel's visibility. Tips for content creation. Now that we've explored different platforms, let's dive into content creation strategies that will make your social media presence shine. Define your brand. Before diving into content creation, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your brand's identity. We'll guide you through the process of defining your brand voice, tone, and visual style to ensure consistency across all platforms. Audience research. Understanding your target audience is key to crafting content that resonates. We'll show you how to conduct audience research, create buyer personas, and tailor your content to meet their needs and interests. Engaging visuals. Visual content plays a significant role in social media success. We'll share design tips, tools, and resources to help you create eye-catching images, videos, and graphics that captivate your audience. Compelling copywriting. Crafting persuasive and engaging copy is essential. We'll provide techniques for writing captivating headlines, impactful captions, and effective calls to action that drive conversions. Now, let's take a look at some inspiring case studies of brands that have aced their social media campaigns. Case Study 1. Brand X's Instagram Takeover. We'll dissect how Brand X collaborated with an industry influencer for a week-long Instagram takeover, resulting in increased followers, engagement, and ultimately, boosted sales. Case Study 2. Brand Y's Viral Twitter Hashtag. Discover how Brand Y created a viral hashtag campaign that sparked conversations, gained tremendous exposure, and established them as a thought leader in their industry. Case Study 3. Brand Z's YouTube Video Series. Explore how Brand Z leveraged YouTube to launch a video series that not only entertained but also educated their audience, resulting in a significant increase in subscribers and website traffic. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to social media marketing. We've broken down the key strategies and best practices for leveraging social media platforms to boost brand awareness, engage with your audience, and drive conversions. From Facebook to YouTube, we've explored different platforms, shared tips for content creation, and highlighted inspiring case studies. Remember, social media marketing is an ever-evolving field. So keep experimenting, analyzing your results, and adapting your strategies accordingly. Stay consistent, engage with your audience authentically, and provide value to build a strong and loyal following. That's it for today's episode. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable content. Until next time, happy social media marketing.